The summer vacations from my junior year and then after my senior year, we went to Japan, Okinawa, Philippines, Vietnam, Thailand, Taiwan, Guam, Korea, and we entertained. And we were not USO, so we were able to really dictate of extra things we wanted to do. When we were in Vietnam, I know my father insisted that we be able to also work in the field hospitals entertaining. So I had some experiences that I promise you, it was almost like I felt like I was walking into a movie, because at that time I was 17, and to be a civilian 17-year-old American girl, literally in the war zone there and in Vietnam, I saw things that most people do only see in the movies. I am so pro wave the flag, stand up and say thank you for my freedom to all of our military. I'm a big military supporter.